Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about soaps and cleaners. But first, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, now's a great time to do it. Just click that little button right down there, the little red one that says subscribe on it, then click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of these prepping and educational videos. All right, so soaps and cleaners. Now I know I've talked about some laundry soap, and I've talked about hair soap since I've started this series, but there are a whole bunch more types of soaps. So we don't want to forget the laundry soap. We don't want to forget the dish soap. We don't want to forget the bath soap, the shampoo, the body soaps, the Files Nympha for poison oak. There's a whole mess of soaps, and you know what soaps you have that you need to make sure you have a good supply of. And there's other cleaners too, like CLR, TSP, Windex. Here, the little packets of lens cleaner. That's a cleaner. So there are a lot of things you do use for cleaning. Excuse me. There are a lot of things you use for cleaning for a lot of different things that need to be cleaned. You have your disinfectant wipes for wiping down in the bathroom, wiping down countertops, degreasing wipes, and stuff like that. All these are cleaners you need to make sure you have enough of so that if there's a problem with the supply chain, you have those items on hand and you're not freaking out like some of your neighbors may be. All right, so remember, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps water, food, medicine, clothing, cleaners, and everything else you need to keep life comfortable. Why, you ask? Simple. This is why.